robbery. You are a professional robber planning to rob houses along a street. Each house has a certain amount of money stashed. The only constraint stopping you from robbing each of them is that um, adjacent houses have security systems connected and will automatically contact the police if two adjacent houses were broken into on the same night. Given an integer array norms representing the amount of money of each house, return the maximum amount of money you can rob without alerting the police. So I'll copy this and paste it just so I can keep an eye on it because this is what we need to return the maximum amount of money we can rob without alerting the police. So for, this example, we have a nums array and the money values in each house is uh, each house's value inside the house, stash inside the house. So we have the output 4 and we rob house 1, which has money 1, and then rob house 3, which has money 3. Total we can rob is 1 plus 2, which is 4. And in this example, which has we have our nums array, which are the list of our houses and the money value stashed in each of these houses. And we have the output 12 as the maximum we can rob without alerting the police. And we rob house 1 because we rob house 1, then house 3 at index um, 2, which is house 3, and then rob house 5, which is at 1, which has 1 money in it. So we add these up and get these. That's how we got 12. This is a dynamic programming problem. Dynamic programming problem. Let's make our edge case. If none is none, return 0. Also, if the length of nums is just 1, then there's no need. Then we can just put return nums index 0. And let's initialize our pointers. Initialize our pointers for our previous house down. And the 1, 2 houses down. Hold on. If we only have 1 house. So let's call this prev1, which is 1 house down. So previous 1 house down since we haven't started robbing yet. 0. Hold on, I'll put this down here. We give them zeros since we haven't started up yet. And let's go down to pref2 equals to 0. Also, let's call it previous 2 houses down. So now let's make our loop for num. Our loop to iterate through houses in our list for num and nums. So for num and nums, let's make our current equals to the maximum value of our previous one. Since we can't do houses next to each other, previous has to be, so we can only add previous 2 plus our num, the value inside of nums of the house, the money. We add these two up, and then we can only add pref 2 and nums since we can't add houses next to each other without pulleys. No wing with. So now let's make our current, let's make our previous to not to be equals to our pref 1, and our pref 1 equals to, we give it our current value, current, and let's return of maximum. Well, it's already here. So return pref 1. Put a space here, and that's basically it. Let's see if it works. If there's any syntax errors, and it's been accepted successfully. Let's write our time and space complexity time, and space time complexity is O of n, iterating through our nums list will be linear. Space complexity is of 1 because our variables such pointers used constant. And that's it for this problem. Let me submit them to see if it's going to pass all cases. and it's been able to pass all cases quite efficiently, 93%, but that's not too accurate. And that's it.